Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to report a YouTube channel. So just follow my steps until the end and let's begin the process. And so easily the first thing what we're going to do, we'll go and open the YouTube app. So if I go and open YouTube app over here, as you can see, I have the interface a lot of videos. So for example, if I click on this video and then I choose the channel from this option, I click on it. Now I can click on the channel once again over here, and now here I'll go and hit these three dots. You can find them up to the right corner next to the search icon, and I click on it. And then here I got the option which says report user. So I click on it, and from here you'll go directly to a new page in order to go for further information and why would you like to report this user and so on and so forth. So at the end, that was all today's video. If you find this very helpful, please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and you can leave us a comment down below in the comment section to let us know if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.